Lorena Docolan, Filipino. I am 36 years old and I am married with 3 kids and my husband works as a painter. I have 3 brothers and 3 sisters and I am the second in the family.
Good day to you, Miss Lorena. How are you today?
I am fine and thank you, Madam.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Must be efficient and honest and hardworking, sir, Madam.
Can you tell me how to take care of the children?
I must wake up early in the morning and I will give them food and vitamins on time and I will assist them in the bathroom for taking bath and changing clothes.
What if you commit mistakes? What to do?
I will say sorry and I will promise that I will not do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your future employer?
I will promise that I will finish my contract and I will do my best to serve them.
Thank you, Miss Lorena, and good luck.
Thank you, Madam, and see you soon.